Bay for 1 p.m. Downtown San Francisco was 58 degrees. Oakland Museum was 60 degrees. Redwood City was 60 degrees. These are the 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time observations for the San Francisco and Monterey Bay areas on Monday, January 22nd. At San Francisco Airport, it was partly sunny, temperature 59, dew point 53, relative humidity 80%, west wind at 9 miles an hour, pressure 29.73 inches and falling. At Oakland Airport, it was cloudy, temperature 59, dew point 54, relative humidity 83%, west wind at 7 miles an hour, pressure 29.74 inches and falling. At San Jose Airport, it was partly sunny, temperature 62, dew point 55, relative humidity 77%, east wind at 3 miles an hour, pressure 29.73 inches and falling. At Santa Rosa, it was partly sunny, temperature 61, southwest wind at 5, pressure 29.72 and steady. At Concord, it was cloudy, temperature 62, southwest wind at 6. At Livermore, it was partly sunny, temperature 59, southwest wind at 6. At Monterey, it was cloudy, temperature 60, west wind at 8, pressure 29.75 and falling. At Salinas, it was partly sunny, temperature 60, dew point 55, relative humidity 83%, west wind at 12. Here are some observations around California and western Nevada. Rain was falling, with a temperature of 46 at Reno and 37 at South Lake Tahoe. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 58 at Sacramento, 58 at Los Angeles, and 36 at Mammoth Lakes. At San Diego, rain and fog were reported, with a temperature of 62. At Truckee, rain and fog were reported, with a temperature of 37. At Blue Canyon, rain and fog were reported, with a temperature of 39. Sunrise, sunset, and tidal information for the San Francisco Bay Area for Monday, January 22nd. The sunset tonight, 5:22 p.m. The sunrise tomorrow, 7:20 a.m. The sunset tomorrow, 5:23 p.m. Tidal data at the Golden Gate for the afternoon and evening hours today and the morning hours of tomorrow. Low tide, 3:42 p.m. at -065 feet. High tide, 11 p.m. at 4.81 feet. Low tide, 3:14 a.m. at 3.26 feet. High tide, 9:11 a.m. at 6.34 feet. Here are the buoy observations for 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At offshore buoy 6, wind southwest at 12 knots, water temperature 56, pressure 1008.3 millibars. At offshore buoy 59, winds west 12 knots, water temperature 59, pressure 1009.9 millibars, sea 7 feet, every 11 seconds. At buoy 14 near Point Arena, wind south at 4 knots, water temperature 56, pressure 1006.9 millibars. At buoy 13 near Bodega Bay, winds west at 6 knots, pressure 1007.0 millibars, swell 8 feet, every 12 seconds. At Point Reyes Wave Rider buoy, water temperature 56, seas 8 feet, every 11 seconds. At San Francisco Bar buoy, water temperature 55, seas 6 feet, every 12 seconds. At San Francisco buoy, winds west 6 knots, water temperature 55, pressure 1008.1 millibars, sea 7 feet, every 12 seconds. At Lovers Point Wave Rider buoy in Monterey Bay, water temperature 57, seas 3 feet, every 13 seconds. At Point Sur, Wave Rider buoy, water temperature 57, seas 7 feet, every 11 seconds. At Cape San Martin buoy, winds northwest 8 knots, water temperature 58, pressure 1006.8 millibars. Seas 6 feet, every 11 seconds. Here are the coastal observations for 1 p.m. Wind speed is in knots. The wind at Point Reyes was southwest at 5 with gusts to 8. The wind at Montaro Beach was west-northwest at 4 with gusts to 7. Synopsis for the Central California coast and bays, including the Monterey Bay, Greater Farallones, and Cordell Bank National Marine Sanctuaries, winds have shifted northwest and weakened to a gentle to moderate breeze. Showers will continue to move over the coastal waters until late afternoon, early evening. After showers end, light rain will return midweek with dry conditions expected after Wednesday. Winds will strengthen to a moderate to fresh breeze on Wednesday and transition from northwest to a southerly direction. Moderate period west to northwest swell continues to move through the waters with a new long period west to northwest swell arriving late tonight and Tuesday. The marine forecast for San Pablo Bay, Suisun Bay, the West Delta, and the San Francisco Bay north of the Bay Bridge. For today, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming west 5 to 10 knots this afternoon. Patchy fog this morning. Rain this morning, then a chance of rain and a slight chance of thunderstorms this afternoon. For tonight, west winds 5 to 10 knots. A chance of rain. For Tuesday, west winds 5 to 10 knots. Patchy fog. For Tuesday night, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Rain. For Wednesday, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Patchy fog. Rain. For Wednesday night, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Patchy fog. A chance of rain. For Thursday, north winds 5 to 10 knots. Patchy fog. For Friday, northeast winds around 5 knots.